Hello everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch videos on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Now tap on the zero icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now you can see two options at the top of your screen. Go ahead and tap on videos. Now you can easily watch the videos that have been posted on BuzzCast. You can swipe down in order to change the videos. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.